Hi everyone, it's iBlitz UK here. Got my 4 boxes from my middleman, the 4 Onslaught of the Dragon Souls boxes. There should be anyway, so open this up. I have got a bit of a cold today, so I might be sniffling through the video. Well packaged. Very well packaged. That's my dog. So yeah, 4 boxes. All sealed. Yeah. All the English edition. Yeah. 4 of these. I'm only gonna open one, just showing the rares, and then for the others, I'll just do an overview of each box. So I'll put like a link on each box with their overview. So this will be box 1, box 2, 3, 4. So yeah. Alright, so I'll just open this one. Put these through the background. Right, so yeah, still got on this one. Just going to show the rares, not going to bother with commons, because I have done a box showing all the commons already. There we go. Hoping for some blazing flare dragons in these boxes. Be good. So yeah, standard 30 packs. 3 triple rares, 5 double, and then 1 of each rare, plus double of some of them. So yeah. First double rare is Kagero and Nova Grapplers. That's perfect guard for Spike Brothers. So that's pretty cool. Oh, sweet, wanted this one. First triple rare, Seal Dragon Blockade. Wanted one of those, that's really cool. So first 2 packs I've got a double and a triple rare. So that's pretty cool. Bermuda Triangle Cadet. Master Freud. Scientist Monkey Roo. Geography Giant. Unite Attacker. Ooh, another double rare. Witch Doctor of the Abyss. Negmar. I've got one of these already actually in my first box, so I've got 2 of these now. Treasure Black Panther. As most people know, I'm only really collecting Nova Grapplers and Kagero at the moment. So if you see anything else that I pull, so like Spike Brothers, Grambler or anything that you're interested in, just let me know. I'll probably be selling them or trading them unless I don't. I will trade if I don't get the blazing flares that I need. Oh sweet, wanted this one, Nova Grappler Lion Heat. So that's 2 triple rares. That's really cool actually, I wanted that one. So yeah, depending on what I get, I'll be trading, if not I'll just be selling. Mecha Trainer. So I've got one more triple rare left. Hopefully be a blazing flare. Shappy the Ghosty. Oh, second double rare, it's Young Pegs this night. Be good for Royal Paladin players, I'm pretty sure some people want that. It's my dog barking again. I actually got this package in on, I think it was Thursday, but I just haven't had the time to open them. So I had to wait till, no, I got them Wednesday, sorry. So I had to wait 2 days to even open the package. It's been so annoying. Been so busy with work and such. Another dancing cutlass. Oh, another Chappy. So I've got both my double rares now. Great Sage Baron. Oh, another double. Gustin, perfect guard for Grand Blue, I think. Pretty cool. So yeah, it's good to get perfect guard really because everyone wants them. So easy sale. High dog breeder Arcane. Arcane. And Pongle straight after. Blazing Cauldron. Demonic Dragon Mage Kimara, I think it's quite a cool card for Kagero. Oh, another Chain Attacker Sutherland. It's my second one now. Didn't really want it, but what can you do? So, I've got all my double rares now, and waiting on one triple rare. Luckbird. Winged Dragon. Last. Oh, it's SP version. Sweet. Rune Shade SP. My second SP card. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like the artwork of this card anyway, but like having it in SP version is pretty sweet. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Grade 2, Grand Blue. No blazing flare unfortunately, but can't really knock an SP really. And then we've got a dragon egg. And last rare is the Top Idol Aqua. So I'll just do a quick run through of my double rares. We've got Chain Tack Summon, Gustin, Young Pegasus Knight, Witch Doctor of the Abyss, and Cheer Girl Marilyn. So they're all my double rares. My triple rares are Lion Heat, which I wanted, which is good. Steel Dragon Blockade, which is another one that I wanted. And then my other triple rare SP is Rune Shade, which is cool. So yeah, pretty sweet. Nice box. Like, rate and subscribe, and thanks for watching.